Wow, just wow. Look at what I have discovered in Värmdö. This is Gässängsgrunden, and an even more beautiful place than the one I was earlier, and where I was actually swimming mostly, as it was not so good to lay down. But here we have very nice clean rocks to lay down, and even on this end it is very nice to chill as well, right here out on the open sea on this side, and on this side we are facing towards the mainland. Now I'm now on something that's like an island, because I was passing by some mud that has water on both sides but I'm going to swim also later to that island as well, so make sure to follow and subscribe to check out that episode as well, to explore that island over there. But I am in Värmdö, in Gässängsgrunden, here it's called, located here in the Skarpo area. The closest bus station is Gamla Presskort, around half an hour walk, I would say. But the water looks fantastic, even at 4:20 p.m. that is now. When I was swimming earlier on the other side, it felt like a bit more algae that were congested from the open sea. Now it seems like more clear and nice, which is amazing. It is beach day number 69 on my Sweden beach adventures, and another beautiful hot day, 25 degrees Celsius in the air, 23 in the sea. I measured with my new water thermometer, and also in the center of the city of Stockholm it is 27 degrees. The forecast said it's gonna be clouds, and there were some clouds earlier, but now it's completely beautiful. And the water looks so amazing. I just love the sea. It was so amazing to swim here in this beauty, and it's gonna be an amazing swim as well later to that island. And I notice now that I see on the other side there is even more secluded rocks, but I think this is quite nice indeed. And I couldn't come here earlier because there were some few people here, so they have left, and now I have this beautiful part to chill on by myself. So yeah, and there is also on that end you can go through the rocks as well. Let's see, here we have a bit of slippery slope, it seems. So let's go around and explore a bit more before I get into the water, because it looks so amazing. This type of landscape I really love indeed. This seems also like another island that we are walking on, as now I'm walking on different rocks to get here. And oh, this is amazing. I mean, you can lay right here and be facing with the water from all sides. I love this. This is beautiful. This is beautiful indeed. You see, on this side the water is super still, and on this side, okay, now I can see the algae, but on this end it seems like there is none. So yeah, let's then go in for a swim here and enjoy this beautiful sunny day. I already did swim 2 times per 20 minutes, and I'm gonna do one more, as I started to do that like a week ago, and it feels so amazing. So let's get into the sea. Ready, set, and go! Now I'm in this small lagoon over here. Here I can stand actually, it's not that deep, but it's so beautiful and amazing. Värmdö is definitely my favorite municipality in Stockholm when it comes to the beaches on the sea, for sure. and I'm actually standing here, so it's quite interesting how it is not that deep here out on the open sea, and it's really stunning for sure. The hot weather will continue for a few more days until the weekend, and then it seems like it's gonna start raining next week. But you know how it is with the rain in Stockholm, it's just a few drops here and there, and it's definitely not. I can stand here, look at this. So I only saw one boat passing by here throughout the day. I guess there are not many boats passing by here, but it's very shallow, it seems. So yeah, it's quite an amazing spot that I have discovered, and I just really enjoy to discover beaches like this that are not marked on Google Maps, and they are a bit of more of a wild character indeed. You can definitely also be naked on this beach as well, for sure. Yes, beach adventures with Kris continue, and the water is so warm, 23 degrees. I can be all day in the water, and I'm also escaping the crowd as well, because I thought that on the public beaches there will be a lot of people on a day like this one. So thanks so much for watching this episode from Gässängsgrunden here in Värmdö. And see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris!